Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, here to guide you through the latest and greatest of Web3, so with that, let's dive in. Our Discord community is now at 3,637 members. If you haven't joined us yet, you're missing out on a fantastic opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals passionate about the future of technology. Over on social media, we've been spotlighting Farcaster frames. In our latest Farcaster 101, we explored how these ingenious mini applications are revolutionizing our interactions within the Farcaster ecosystem, from enhancing content engagement to enabling NFT minting right within your feed. This week's Powered by Pinata highlight is MetaJuice. MetaJuice is a pioneer in the metaverse's economic landscape. With their innovative blockchain-driven assets, including meta tokens like vCore and vCoin, and unique NFTs, MetaJuice is at the forefront of creating a participatory and rewarding metaverse experience. Their vision extends beyond digital ownership, offering everyone a chance to contribute to and benefit from the metaverse's growth. As a subsidiary of Together Labs, known for the Web3 social metaverse Imvu, MetaJuice is strategically positioned to redefine our virtual interactions and economic exchanges. Are you eager for more insights from ETH Denver? Our team has compiled a captivating blog post detailing their adventures and achievements at the event. From their dynamic participation in the Builder Hub to the unveiling of their Farcaster project Swoop, they've encapsulated the essence and excitement of one of the biggest gatherings in the blockchain realm. This week, we're going to be diving into frame analytics with Frog and Next.js. Despite Farcaster frames being a relatively new addition, the development community has been abuzz with innovation. Frog, a frame building toolkit by Weavem, stands out with its integration of community plugins via Hono middleware. We've harnessed this feature to introduce Pinata frame analytics, enabling you to embed analytics seamlessly into your Frog frames. Our latest blog post provides a step-by-step guide on setting up a ribbit counter to track engagement on your frames, offering a practical and interactive way to leverage analytics. And that concludes this week's journey with Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video updates from Pinata. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.